Hello, this video is to assist you with creating a coupon for your online store. To do this, we are going to go to the admin area. We are going to go to the marketing module. Here we have what are called offers. If we click into here, we can create an offer of whatever kind you would like. So we're going to go in here, we're going to click on add offer. We're going to give it a name. So let's say oftentimes you'll get a notification from a supplier saying that you can have a sale. In this instance, we're going to call this one Cherokee. You can pick your start and end date. We'll have this one good for a 3-day sale. Now you can select it to be a coupon, which is the most common way to do this. So we're going to call this one Cherokee. You often want to use a coupon code that makes sense for the special that you're running. This usage limit here limits the amount of times that a registered user can use a given coupon code. So we're going to set this to 3. You can also create an abandoned cart coupon so that whenever someone abandons their cart, they will receive an email with a coupon code that will encourage them to come back and complete their order. Oftentimes you'll want to keep this separate. You do not want them to combine other coupons to get even bigger savings. Now we can set this to be a product level offer. So we're going to say they have to order at least 1 item, and maybe they can order up to 100. You can also go with the order level offer where you say that they have to have a minimum cart of $50 to qualify for the coupon. We're going to keep it at the product level offer. Now, here is where it gets very interesting. You can have this be a store level offer. Everything in the store would be able to be on sale if they had this coupon code. But you can break it down. You can say that I want it to be, Cherokee only, or you can mix and match. Maybe they're going to do Fame and Edwards as well. So you can mix and match. You can also go to the category level where you can pick specific categories to be on sale. Maybe we want Cherokee Medical and Cherokee Workwear, and maybe Eddie Bauer, but we only want Eddie Bauer's outerwear to be on sale. So again, you can mix and match. And you can go all the way down to the product level, where you can pick specific products to be on sale if they have the coupon code. Typically, it'll be on a supplier level. So I'm going to put this at Cherokee Uniforms. Now we do have different rewards, and that's just a fancy way, or not fancy way of saying, what is the discount going to be? We can give them a flat dollar amount. We can give them a percentage discount, a discount on another product. We can also take it to where buy 2 get 1 free, free products, or none. I would say 95% of our clients use the percentage discount. And let's say that they're going to have a 17% discount on all Cherokee products if they plug in the code Cherokee at checkout. I'm going to go ahead and save and exit. And then if I go to the front end, and I'm going to go and find some Cherokee products. I'll go ahead and grab this warm-up jacket here. And maybe I'm going to get 10 of these. And I'm going to do a quick buy. Oh, of course, I pick a product that is not in stock, or a combination that's not in stock. So I've got these 10 warm-up jackets. I'm going to go to checkout. I can go ahead and look into the details here, make sure that I have everything I want. Let's go ahead and remove some of these products that I had sitting here from before. I'm going to go ahead and I've selected this home. I'm going to take the flat rate per order. I can redeem my gift card or coupon here. I'm going to put in Cherokee. So right now we're at $229.80 plus $1 for shipping. I'm going to apply the coupon. Coupon code Cherokee is now here, and I see now that I am now down to 191.70. So I've saved $3.91 per item, and this is how you can use coupon codes to update and create sales on your website. Thank you. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@sellerscommerce.com.